We all know Apple is home for big surprises in innovation and design department which replicates in their products. And from the same family, the much awaited, most anticipated Apple VR smart glasses is going to be the next big surprise for Apple lovers. As per display expert Ross Young's latest Twitter tweet, it is revealed that Apple VR glasses will be launched by year 2022 and the price will be at $499 which is about 37,000 plus Indian rupees. In addition, Ross Young clarified that Apple is launching virtual reality based smart glasses but not augmented reality, in which Apple is currently working and investing on its final product stage of this prototype model. Coming to specification details, according to the report, Apple is using the Sony's cutting-edge OLED micro display technology, which will be embedded in Apple smart glasses of about 0.5-inch screen with 2 mm width for its lenses, provided with the resolution of 1280 into 960 pixels. The placement of this OLED display is partially embedded, where the bigger part is covered with Apple Glass. This half-inch screen is provided with pixel density of greater than 3000 ppi. By comparison, it is 5 times greater than the iPhone 12 models in terms of pixel density. Side by side, the contrast ratio is 1:1, which is pretty huge for greater color experience even in sunlight exposure. Apple's virtual reality based smart glasses is used with hand gestures and head movement along with voice control, provided with lightning response time of 0.01 millisecond interaction rate. It is officially reported that the Apple company also filed its patent on its VR glasses for virtual keyboard, where the keyboard is virtually seen on desk or table where you can type on the lens screen. Side by side with special head and voice gestures, it will take you to predefined tasks that you use most on the Apple products. The special feature which can be seen in Apple VR smart glasses is that you can search any two products info and it will be visualized on screen with two products as comparison view mode, which is currently patented by Apple. And one final time travel information from Devotional channel is that Apple is launching augmented reality smart glasses by 2023, but before that you will be seeing virtual reality based smart glasses. If you loved our detailed insider tech info, please like and share this video with your fellow Apple buddy and support us by subscribing to our channel as a compliment to our efforts for more videos like this. That's it from my end, guys. Peace out.